Hello kids, today we are going to draw a tiger with the help of lines and shapes. First of all, take your pencil, take your erasers, marker and your colors. Make one circle. Which should not be joined. If you are making with your pencil, you can make it your circle first and rub it from this corner to this corner. Separate it little bit. Now one slanting line going inside, one slanting line going inside, one curve line to the center, one curve line to the center, one slipping line, close the slanting line, one dot, two dot, three dot, make it triangle, one standing line as a 9, black inside as a lens, make it dark, straight line, make it curve, again one more lens like a P, one small curve as a ear, one more curve as a ear. Now one triangle, one slanting line, one standing line, one standing line, one slanting line. These are the scalps of a tiger. One slanting line, 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 one slanting line. Fill inside dark. If you are doing with sketch pen, fill inside dark. All the triangles, even nose too. One curve as a mouth, one another curve as a lips, one straight line as a leg, one straight line for a leg, one more straight line for a leg, one curve line to the center, one more curve line to the second line, one straight line coming inside, one curve as a chest. Again, this is my front two legs. Now I am going for a back leg. One curve, one more curve little bit outside, one curve to outside portion, one more curve little bit more outside, one slipping line, one slipping line. These are the two back legs. Now one triangle, two triangle, another one triangle, two triangle on the opposite side, one triangle, two triangle, three triangle, four triangle. Dark inside, fill dark inside. These are the scalps of the tiger. Scalps is done. Now going towards tail. One curve, one small curve, return back to the another point with the help of curve. One small triangles on the tail. One slipping line going towards the front page, one slipping line going towards the back line. This is my land position. Here our tiger is ready. Now we are going to do a color. Tiger is mostly found in yellow color, so we are going to do a yellow color inside. First we are going to do border. Cover the scalps also. Fill inside. Fill color in a appropriate direction. First to border. Fill inside in a standing position. Fill it in a curve position because it is turning back. Again border. Don't go in triangles, please. Face is ready. I'm going towards ear. Fill in ear. Now I'm going towards two front legs. My two front legs is going to finish. Do it in a standing position. Now on a third leg, do it in a standing position. Same thing, a standing position in a fourth leg and slowly in a tail because tail is very thin. Now red color in a mouth. Red color in a mouth as well as on lips. Orange color in jaws. Here your jaws is ready. Even your tiger is also ready. And I want to show a ground as a green. So I am doing green color. And rest of part I want to do a shading. So I am going to make it yellow color downside. This is my yellow color going towards downside, and I will be blending with a cloth. I will take the help of cloth to blend it. First of all, take a cloth, cover your finger like this and blend it softly. If you got oil pastel colors, it is easy to blend it. Here our ground is done. If you want to make it few grass, you can make it directly. Dark green color at the edges of the color. Again, if you want to make it flower, you can make it with a red color. Tiny dots, small dots. So you will find it as a flower. Here our tiger is ready. Kids, your tiger is ready. Thank you. Thank you for support. Take care.